Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is an ideal summer project. How to make beautiful big bubbles. Recycle a plastic bottle and cut off part of the top of the bottle to make a funnel shape. I left the label on the bottle because it was a good guide for cutting the bottle. Keep the bottom of the bottle because I will have another project to offer you in another video. Prepare the soap mixture. Mix 2 cups of warm water, a 1/4 cup of dish soap, 2 tablespoons of glycerin, and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it all up and go have fun outside blowing bubbles. You can make small bubbles or large bubbles, and they can fly very high. Enjoy the summer and have fun! To print the document with the illustrated instruction, click on the link below the video and visit the Animaplates website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. See you soon!